Today we're looking at the connections between fractions, decimals, and percents. If you've watched the other videos, these are some of the tools that we've used: base 10 blocks, fraction tiles or fraction strips, and place value discs. Today, I want you to pause and talk with someone how are fractions, decimals, and percents connected to each other? And second, how might we use these tools to show those connections? You can pause the video now to discuss and even get out these tools to talk about these connections. Pause now. I've organized my tools this way to show the connections. If I have one whole, this is one whole. 1/10 of that I write as 0.1, which means 1/10. This is 1/10 of the whole and 1/10 of the whole. If I have 1/100th, I have 0.01, and I don't have a fraction tile to match that, but I only need 1/100th, I do have 1/100th of the whole. Now, I've explained the fraction part with these tools and the decimals, but where is the percent? I know that 100% would be one whole. So if I'm adding percents to this, I would say 100% is a whole. It's all of it, 100%. If I have 1/10, what percent would that be? Well, 1/10 of a whole is this much. Well, 1/10 of 100, what was that? 1/10 of 100 is 10. So it is 10%. If I have 1/100th, one little part of the whole, what percent do you think that would be? Did you say 1%? You are correct. 1% is 1/100th of the whole, 10% is 1/10 of the whole, and 100% is the whole. Let's use these same tools to look at other percentages, such as 20%. If I've done 20% of something, or ate 20% of a whole cookie, what decimal would that be? What fraction tile would that be? And what base 10 block would that be? Pause the video and see if you can build that using our tools today. If you said, well, that would be 2/10, you are correct. 20% would be 2/10 of the whole thing. It's 2 out of the 100. So I could say it is 20/100ths or 2/10. I could say it's 2/10 or 20/100ths. And I can build it the same way with this. This is 2 base 10 blocks or 20/100ths. Let's try another one. What would you build for 23%? And I'll give you a hint. Some of these tools you cannot use and some of them you can. Give it a go. Okay, well, 23% would mean I have 2/10 and 3/100ths. That would be written as 0 and 23/100ths, or 0.23, 2/10 and 3/100ths. Did you figure out I can't build with my fraction tiles? Why is that? I don't have hundredths in my fraction tiles. I can show the 20, but I can't show the 300ths because it's just too small of pieces. But I can show it with my base 10 blocks. Here I have 23% of the whole. Go ahead and build these other percentages into decimals and fractions using our tools here today.